When it comes to drinking a delicious latte, even some simple changes to the recipe can add a ton of health benefits. So today we're going to Latte Nutrition School, where Superfood class is in session. Superfood Swap hero Dawn Jackson Blattner is here to show us how to make our lattes super nutritious. Hey Dawn.
Oh, hello. Thanks for having me. I love a good latte. So let me be your wellness barista today and show you how it's done.
Great, Dawn. And when I think of lattes, I think of full of sugar and not so good for me. But you're saying there's a way to make our lattes good for us and healthy.
They can be very sugary, but if you make lattes at home, you have control of the ingredients. You actually can make superfood lattes that do extra special stuff.
Cutting back on the sugars is important. Why is that?
Too much sugar can actually give you a boost of energy, but then come crashing down. So nobody wants that. So just a dab will do you so that you have steady energy throughout the day.
These three lattes are going to show us what makes them so super.
So super lattes all have a special ingredient, and each latte has a different special ingredient. So when we get started, I'm going to explain not only how to make it, but why it works.
All right, let's get to it. The first latte is for energy.
We are going to be making an energy latte that is a matcha latte. So matcha is green tea, and it is for a teaspoon about 50 milligrams of caffeine. That's about half as much as coffee. It also has a compound called L-theanine in there, which is great for focus. So this is not jittery energy. This is nice streamed attention energy. And it also has something called EGCG in there, which is an antioxidant to keep our cells strong and healthy. Start with a teaspoon of matcha. And then I have some warm plant milk here. And you can use your favorite plant milk. I like unsweetened version, just part way. And then you can use a whisk and really blend in that matcha. And once you see that it's totally blended, well, then you could add a little bit of 100% maple syrup, a little bit of honey, and just add the rest of the plant milk in there.
Now, the next latte you have is for stress.
This latte for stress is a chamomile latte. What's cool about chamomile is it actually does have an active ingredient in there called apigenin. And this is the compound that we think is helping us get more calm and soothed. Have just a little bit of hot water and steep your chamomile tea in there for about 5 minutes. So you're getting a really concentrated burst of that chamomile. Add your warm milk. And again, I'm using an unsweetened plant milk. And we have, I already just smelling it feel less stressed. We have our chamomile latte.
And the final superfood latte is to help us fight inflammation. What is it?
This is called a golden milk latte. The active ingredient is this beautiful yellow spice called turmeric. It has an active ingredient in there called curcumin that helps sort of ease and soothe all of that inflammation. So you use about a half of a teaspoon of turmeric. The key to making it actually get absorbed into your body is a pinch of black pepper. You could be done there, but I like to add a little bit of cinnamon, and I also like to add a little bit of ginger as well. And then I'm going to pour a little bit of that warm plant milk right in, and you just zip, zip, zip until it's totally blended.
And I think now we know that getting creative when making a latte can serve up some big health benefits. Okay, now it's your turn. How do you make your foods more nutritious? Share it with us on Facebook. Just search for Living Healthy Chicago. All right, if you liked this video and you want more information about living a healthy life, just subscribe to our channel. We're happy you're here.